Tell me again and then I'll do it. I promise I'll do it. Only if you tell me again.
Turn it on.
No, just tell me again what I have to do. Tell me what I have to do and then I'll do it. What happened to your finger? Just tell me and I'll go do it. What do I have to do so that you can put that broom on?
I'm gonna open up those flaps, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna open up the flaps.
Uh-huh.
I need you to go over there and turn the vacuum on as soon as I tell you to. Okay. And there's gonna be airflow and it's gonna suck all the crap out of there. So go do it.
Okay. Okay. Let's see what kind of contraption you got with the the vacuum over here. Hold on a second. Oh, there's the vacuum. Okay. Let me know. Oh, you just have it scotch taped to the hose of the dryer with this itty bitty vacuum. Let's see what it's gonna do. Oh, Lord. What's he doing? How's it going?
Awesome.
So good?
It's working.
It's working so good?
It's working.
Alright, we got that flow going.
Yeah, we got flow.
You're gonna fall off that chair. Hold on tight, babe. Ooh, squeeze that ball. You love it. Let's go see what Maxwell's doing. What? What are you doing? What are you doing in here? Huh? What are you doing? Crazy? You want your phone? Here you go.